Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the videos. Today's a pretty big day. Kind of been yapping about this day for literally, what, almost over 2 years now. But I'm finally going to be picking up the Rx8 from the body shop after having its new bumper, under tray, and whole shebang installed. I've literally been yapping about this since the Tail of the Dragon trip in 2024, so it's a long time coming. But if you guys have been keeping up with the videos, pretty much 2 videos ago I dropped the car off at the body shop to have the bumper painted and have some fiberglass work done to make sure it fits properly. And today, or well yesterday, I got the call saying that the car should be good to pick up now today. So here I am. I'm standing here in the middle of nowhere behind like some storage boxes, because literally around the corner is the shop that's holding my car right now, and if I step forward a bit it's gonna be too bright, so you know, YouTube stuff. But anyways, I haven't seen the car in person yet, or in any pictures actually, so it's gonna be my first time seeing it as well as with you guys. I'm hoping that the fitment is as good as I want it to be. I'm hoping that the under tray lines up properly and I won't have any more airflow issues to the radiator, which, if you guys don't know, is the whole reason why I've been yapping about this for 2 years. So literally around the corner, I'm gonna see if this 2-year buildup was worth it. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous, but I hope it looks good. I mean, I'm sure it will look good. But yeah, let's take our first step forward and go see this car and see how the car looks. I'm excited, but I hope you guys will like it. All right, haven't seen the car in person yet, but it is literally right there. All right guys, you ready for this? There it is. Dang, this thing looks sick. And got the clear ones in there, because you know, you guys remember the last video, the orange one was literally falling apart, and this thing came right off. So I look sick painted. Oh my god, I never even saw the car with like the unpainted bumper on, so now I'm just literally seeing it for the first time with the bumper on and everything, and this thing looks sick. And also we have the under tray here. This is not the best angle to see it, because you know, it's kind of narrow here, so I can't really stand far enough back. But once we get this thing outside, man, this thing's gonna look sick, especially in the sunlight. My gosh. But what do you guys think of the front bumper? So much better than the other one. Can't wait to get this thing out into the light so I could really see it. Let's walk over on this side. It's got a little bit more space here. You guys could really see the side skirt. Man, this looks sick. All right, I should wait and just show you guys once we're outside, because it's not really doing it justice, man. But boy, I'm happy with it. And someone in comments mentioned this the other day, and it just completely slipped my mind. But if you guys watch Rob Dom, remember Isaiah's Rx8? He literally had the same exact setup with the feed style front bumper and the R Magic wing. I just completely forgot about that, but I did watch those videos when it was coming out, so maybe I subconsciously just copied their build. I'm gonna toss a picture up on screen so you guys can see, but it literally looks the exact same, with the exception of maybe the side skirts. I don't remember, but all right, yeah, I'm gonna wait until we get the car out and I'll really show you guys what this thing looks like in the sunlight. Sheesh. Dude, so excited to see it in the sunlight. Dang. Dude, this lighting is not doing it justice. My god, look at those side skirts. Woo. Dang, guys. Dude, it looks beautiful.
Feel Jerry?
Huh?
Good?
Feel good, yeah. They look sick, yeah. No more freaking rubber bumper that gets caught in everything.
We just need a top mount kit.
Top mount kit, ooh. God.
Some turbos.
Whoa. No. Seriously though, I would love to do a turbo kit, and a lot of you guys in the comment section has been asking me to put on that rad potential turbo kit.
Ooh, like that.
But I don't know if I'm ready for that yet.
Yeah, you're ready.
Nah, gosh, I don't know.
You're ready.
All right, bad influence right here.
No, you're ready. You can do it.
Hey, when your car is all fixed and stuff, I'll consider it.
Oh shit.
Oh, let's see when that happens.
2 turbo cars in the summer.
2 turbo cars in the summer. Is yours turboed? Oh shit. Alright, let's see here.
I'll shoot the turbo.
That's not your car, right? Oh shit. Is that for me?
Happy birthday!
Oh shit, but dang, so you already got the kit and everything. For context, he drives like a, what was that, 1.8, 240 or 240?
Okay.
Dude.
So American motor.
Alright, alright.
I think 5 and some change.
500?
Yeah.
That's insane. Are you drifting it or something?
No.
Ooh, that's a sick car. Oh, what? You don't mean that. Alright, just got the key and everything. Let's go start up the car. Oh shit, man. Dang, this thing looks sick. Should I change out the rear bumper? All the guys in there were telling me that I need to get rid of this thing and, you know, do something different. But I kind of like the OE one. I like this little triangle thing here, you know? But I think having this part black now just doesn't look right with all the red that's here. I mean, you guys can't really see it because of... I can't help it. It looks so good. But... Side skirts.
Splitters.
More money, guys. More money. But yeah, it looks sick. Dude, I would love a diffuser. I think in the rear. Oh wait, forgot to show you guys. It's got the new under tray on there.
One of those little fucking the bumper things.
The thing that stick out like that.
No, not the splitter thing. If you're gonna do that, you're gonna be way too low.
Yeah, I didn't want to do all that. All right, the lighting is hella bright right now, but it's also got the new under tray on there. You guys probably can't see it, but it is fitted right up and it's snug the way it's supposed to be. So hopefully, you know, we're gonna go test drive the car. Right now I'm gonna start it up. And hopefully, you know, oh, someone left their phone here. Whose is this? All right, so let's go start this thing up and let's see how it drives. Also got alignment because, you know, it's been a minute since I did that. Still in my dress shoes because, you know, literally just got off of work. So, man. Wow. It's been, what, 2 weeks since I was last in here, so let's go. Dang, they're way too fucking tall. Have to scoot the seat closer. Man, let's go. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think of this bumper? I really like it, especially now that I'm seeing it in like proper sunlight. This is not the best environment for me to do any B-roll shots, but you know, that's to come. We're gonna take this thing back on the mountain soon enough, and man, we'll really see what this thing does. But let's take this thing home. All right guys, just made it back home. Parked the car up in the driveway. But sheesh, this thing looks sick, man. I am absolutely in love with this bumper. And it just looks so clean. And it doesn't flex like the old one. There's like actually zero gap here. This fitment is actually pretty sick. So there was a huge gap before here in the other bumper, and that just totally doesn't exist anymore. They did such a good job lining this thing up, and the under tray actually fits properly. I am still missing like the, I don't know what's it called, but you know it's completely slipping my mind, but the thing that goes over the wheels, what's it called, like a splash shield, I think. So that's literally the only thing that's missing from like this front end setup. But man, this thing looks sick. I'm not gonna lie, I was totally gonna take the car to the gas station and fill it up, but I realized I didn't have any premix on me, so I'm back here. I'm gonna fill up my premix bottle, and you know, we'll do that next time. But man, this thing looks so beautiful. Let me know what your guys' thoughts on this in the comment section below. But man, wow. Alright guys, you made it to the end of the video, and as always, if you made it to the very end of the video, really appreciate you guys for taking the time every day to watch the content all the way to the very end. It really means the world to me, so thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, keeping this video a bit short because I just want to get this video out as fast as I can so you guys can see what the car looks like, because it looks so damn clean. But I did originally want to add a bit more to this video, really get to show you guys what the car looked like in better lighting condition, but to be honest, it's kind of the beginning of the week, and I just don't think I have time to do that without delaying, when this video goes live. And I did want to get it out faster so you guys can see the car, because man, I just want to start uploading pictures of it, but I don't want to spoil away anything else online before you guys see this video. So here it is. Hopefully you guys like it. I think the car looks really clean. I think it looks so much better than the Mazda Speed one. And not to say that the Mazda Speed, style bumper don't look good. It did, but man, comparing to this is like night and day. I feel like the car looks like it could be like the cover of some video game. I don't know, but I might just be glazing it. But yeah, the car looks really sick. Can't wait to take it out to the mountains and really get some better pictures there. Man, this is gonna be sick, man. I can't wait for Jason. Actually hasn't seen how the car looks yet. I haven't sent him pictures or anything. I'm waiting for him to see it in person, and I think it's gonna be pretty surprising to him. I think that would be pretty sick for me to just pull up and he'll be like, what the fuck, whose Rx8 is that? I think that would be pretty cool. So maybe that's gonna be something that we do later on. He is currently on vacation, so can't show him then. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think of the bumper? Do you guys like it? Do you prefer the Mazda Speed one over this, or do you prefer the OEM over this? I know a lot of people love the OEM bumper, but man, you can't deny this thing looks beautiful, and I'm really glad how it came out. I think the fitment is exactly what I want it to be, and the under tray fits like perfect. So I'm really happy with that. And yeah, I really have nothing else to say besides the fact that I love how this car looks right now, and I can't wait to fill it up with gas and just take it somewhere, because it's going to be a lot of fun. But with that said though, I'm going to end the video here. Really just wanted to show you guys what the car looked like. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section below. And until the next one, guys, remember to stay safe out there, because the world's a crazy place. So you got to do your part to stay safe, right? Until the next one. Peace.